Dear all, bypass authentication vulnerability found in Apache Pinot. A critical vulnerability tracked as CVE2024563325 with a 9.8 CVSS score has been patched. This vulnerability has found in Apache Pinot, a real-time distributed OLAP datastore designed for low-latency analytics. This vulnerability allows remote attackers to bypass the authentication mechanism and gain access to unauthorized sensitive data. The vulnerability was found in Pinot's authentication filter class, which handles URI validation and authentication checks. Through maliciously crafted URIs containing unneutralized special characters, attackers can bypass the security checks. Authentication protocols are unable to complete the process due to insufficient message structure validation, which violates input sanitization in CWE 707. Exploitation only requires basic HTTP request manipulation skills, and successful exploitation results in unauthorized data access, injection of fraudulent records, or service disruption, violating confidentiality, availability, and integrity. Affected versions: Apache Pinot version prior to 1.3.0 Mitigation Strategies. Update Apache Pinot to latest version 1.3.0.